Hello friends, hello students, welcome to today's lesson. Today we will discuss some queries of you guys. Some students they message me they are facing problems in that assignment that previously I uploaded there before 2 days. Some boys they message me. So today we will discuss, we will solve their doubts, their queries. 10 questions I was given you. 10 questions was there in that assignment, and some of the students they face problem in that questions. So I am solving some questions here. Out of 10 questions we will discuss here 4-5 questions. Question number second I am solving here now. Question was 10 by 12 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Right? Students are saying that they are unable to solve this question since there are 3 fractions together. So doesn't mean there are 3 or 4 or more than 4 fractions are there. You do one thing, see plus sign in between means priority of operators is same. We can solve any of the fraction, we can add any of 2 fractions first. So you do one thing, you need to take LCM of all the denominators together. Here we can see these are unlike fractions. Nothing unlike, you know very well whose denominators are not same. Here denominator is 12, here is 3, here is 6. So denominators are different, so these are unlike. So what to do now? We have to take LCM of the denominators to make their denominators same. So we can take here LCM of all 3 denominators together like this. This simplest method I am telling you. Now by 2 6 are 3, we can't divide by 2, and 6 we can divide by 3. Now by 3, 2 time, 1 time and 1 time. Now by 2, 1 time, 1 time and 1 time. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12. 2 3 are 6 plus 12. So 12 is LCM. Right? It means we have to make all the denominators same here. So first we can see here this is already 12. No need to change it. So second fraction is 2 by 3. Now we have to make this 3 as 12. How we can make it 12? If we multiply this 3 by 4, since we know that in the table of 3, fourth place, fourth time 12 is there. 3 4s are 12. So we need to multiply by 4. Since we are multiplying denominator, we have to multiply numerator also. You know very well. So 4 2s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. It means instead of 2 upon 3, we can also write 8 by 12. This is like fraction for equivalent fraction for 2 by 3. So we can also write it 8 by 12. Right? Now second fraction is 5 by 6. We have to make this 6 12. Where 12 comes in the table of 6. 6 2s are 12. So we need to multiply it by 2. Since we are multiplying downside, we have to multiply upper side also. So 10, 5 2s are 10 upon 12. It means we can write here 10 upon 12 instead of 5 by 6. 10 upon 12 is equivalent fraction for 5 by 6. So instead of 2 upon 3, we can write 8 by 12. And 5 upon 6, we can write 10 by 12. Right? And this 10 by 12, we can write as it is. Hope you understand. 2 upon 3, we can write 8 by 12. Just before I discussed. 5 by 6, we can write 10 by 12. Now you can see here all denominators are same, means all are like fractions. So what is the rule to add like fractions? We can add their numerators together and we can take denominator as a common denominator. 3 denominators are there and we can take 1 and we can make it common denominator of all the fractions. So now 10 plus 8 plus 8. So 10 and 10 we know 20 and 20 plus 8, 28 we can write here. Hope you understand. Now see 28 by 12. This is improper and this is also not in simplest form. Since we know that 28 and 12, these two are even numbers and there are common factors of 12 and 28, right? So you can see here by 4 both are divisible, by 2 also both are divisible. So we have to take that bigger factor. So bigger is 4. So by 4, 3 times we can cut 12 and we can cut it 7 times. 7 4s are 28. So we can write it 7 upon 3. Again it is unlike. So we have to convert this one into mixed. How we can convert? Like this. 3 2 are 6, 1 is remainder, this 2 is quotient and this is divisor. Rule says that quotient we can take as a whole, then remainder, then divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. So we can write it 2 whole 1 by 3. So 2 whole 1 by 3 is the solution of this expression. After adding all 3 fractions together, we have 2 whole 1 by 3. Hope you understand, guys. This was simple, but some students they are facing problem. No problem. I am here to clear all your doubts, all your problems. If you have any kind of problem related with your mathematics, please message me. Some student message me personally. So you are welcome every time. You can also personally message me, or you can call me also. I have given you my contact number also there in the Google Classroom. I have posted for you. If any type of problem you have, so please feel free to talk with me. Now fourth part I am solving here. 5 upon 3 is given there. Then minus 5 by 6. Then plus 11 by 3. Right? Now see 5 upon 3, 5 by 6, 11 by 3. All are, you can see these two are like 5 by 3 and 11 by 3. First you check what BODMAS rule says. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition. So we can add first. So you can see here this fraction and this fraction. These are positive fractions. Means they have positive sign. So we can write them together like this. Hope you understand. Now as per rule of BODMAS, we can add first. So what will come when we add? Like terms are, like fractions are there. So according to the rule, we can directly add numerators. Minus 5 by 6 we can write as it is. This is very simple now. 5 plus 11, 16 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Right? Now you can see here 16 by 3 and 5 by 6. These are now unlike. So what to do now? We have to take LCM now of 3 and 6 to make them like fractions. So what is LCM of 3 and 6? By 3 1 time, 2 time, by 2 1 1. So 3 into 2, that is 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Right? So this 5 by 6, it is already in the format. Already 6 is there. So we need to convert this 3 into 6. How? By multiplying it 2. Since we are multiplying it by 2, we have to multiply numerator also. Now 16 into 2, 32 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 you can write as it is. Now 32 by 6 minus 5 by 6. I am solving here now. So these are like fractions now. So as per rule, we can subtract their numerators now. We can subtract 5 from 32 directly. Now 32 minus 5. What will come here? 37 we have. Sorry, 27. Sorry. 27 we can write it by 6. So if we subtract 5 from 32, we have 27. Hope you understand. Now it is, you can see here, this is improper fraction. We have to convert this one into mixed. You know how to convert in mixed? Where 27 comes in the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 is the bigger one, so 4 times. 24, 3. This is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. So we can write it quotient, remainder by divisor. Quotient is 4, remainder is 3, and divisor is 6. Now you can see here 3 and 6, these two, there is something common. Yes, 3 is common. It means now also we can cut this 3 by 3 one time, this 6 by 3 two times. So 4 whole 1 by 2 we can write it. Right? So what will come here? 4 whole 1 by 2. After solving this expression of fractions, we have 4 whole 1 by 2. Hope you understand, guys. If you practice in these type of questions, then only you will be able to solve such kind of questions. So my humble request you, please try to solve by your own. Now question number 6 I am taking here. This question is, that is 20 by 30, then divided by 10 by 15 and divided by 1 by 3. This question is given there. 3 fractions are there and in between them division symbol is there. So as per rule, division, we know that division, 2 division symbols are there, 2 operators of division are there. It means we can solve any of the division first. But according to the rule, first, whatever you get first, you need to solve that one. So we will solve this one first. This is the first operator. So 20 by 30, how we can solve it? We can solve it by changing division into multiplication and after taking that reciprocal of 10 by 50, right? And this 1 upon 3 we can write as it is, right? Now see, we just focus on this part only. By 10, 2 times we can divide it. Now by 15, 2 times also we can divide it. Now by this 2 we can also cancel this 2. So what is left over here? 1 is only left. Nothing is left means in multiplication 1 is there. Right? 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 into 1 and 1 is downside also 1 to 1 2. We have only 1. So 1 divided by 1 upon 3. Now we have to solve this one. So we can write here 1 upon 1 also. Right? So 1 upon 1 multiplied by 3 by 1. How? We have converted this division into multiplication after taking reciprocal of 1 by 3. That is 3 by 1. Now 1 into 3 by 1 into 1. 3 by 1, that is 3 only. So what is answer? Answer is 3 only. Hope you understand. This is a very simple question. So if you found same symbol or same operator more than once, means twice, thrice or 4 times, even 5 times, you need to solve whatever, where first operator you find, you need to solve that fraction and so on, right? So 3 is answer for this one. Now one more question I will take here. Now question number 8 I am solving. 11 upon 15, then multiplied by 45 by 33, divided by 10 by 30 and again divided by 15 by 25. First you write here board mass. So before multiplication we have to go with division. It means we have to solve this one first. Right? So How we can solve it? Changing this division into multiplication after taking reciprocal, like this. And this division we can write as it is. Right? Now we have to solve this one. You can see here, by 10, 3 times it's divisible. And by 3, 11 times it's divisible. Hope you understand, guys. So we can write here 11 by 15 into, what is left over here? 45 into 1. It means only 45, and downside 11 into 1, 11. Right? And in division 15 by 25. So 11 by 15 into 45 by 11. Now we have to go with another division here. So we can write it. We have to convert it into multiplication after taking this. We can do like this. Now you can see, by 15, 3 times 43 is divisible. In the table of 15, 3 times 15, 3s are 45 we have. And this 3, we can cut this 15 also by 5 times. And this 11, we can cut this 11 also. And this 5, we can cut 25 5 times. Hope you understand. Now what is left over here? Only we can see here only 5 is left, and downside nothing is there, only 1 is there, which doesn't mean anything. It means only 5 we have here. So we can write it 5 by 1 means only 5. Right? Hope you understand. So after simplifying all these fractions, we have only 5. So 5 is answer for this expression. Hope you understand. Now one more question I am taking today, question number 10th now I am solving here. This is the last question of assignment. 10th question I am taking here. 16 upon 15, then plus 15 by 30, then multiplied by 5 by 10, then divided by 10 by 15. Right? Board mass rule, you have to look on board mass. Division first. Bracket and off is not here, division. It means we have to solve these two fractions first. The rest of the fractions we have to write as it is. We have to solve this one first. 5 by 10 into 15 by 10 we can write. Right? Now see, 5 ones are and 5 twos are. We can cut it. And 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So 16 by 15 plus 15 by 30 we can write as it is. Then into, here we have 3 only, 3 ones are 3, and downside 2 2s are 4 we have. Now multiplication, here is multiplication. We have to solve these two now. So you can see here, by this 3, 10 times it is divisible. Only in cross and in up down we can cut. Please don't cut same side. This 4 we can't cut this time. Then 10 and 15 by 5, these two are divisible. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Right? So we can write it 15, 16 by 15 plus. Here what we have? 3 into 1, 3 only, and 4 2s are 8. So we have here 3 by 8. Right? Now we have to add finally. How to add now? You can see here 15 and 8. Nothing is common there. 15 and 8, nothing is common. So it means, what is LCM? Their product or multiplication is LCM only. So LCM is 15 into 8. What is 15 into 8? 120. So 120 is the LCM of 15 and 8. Hope you understand. Now it means we have to make this 15 into 108. 120, sorry. by which number we should multiply this 15 to make 120. If we multiply this 15 by 8, we can get 120. Upper side also we need to multiply. Hope you understand. Now 16 and 8, what will come? 128, and 15 8 we know 120. It means like fraction for equivalent fraction for 16 upon 15 is 120 by 100, 28 by 120, and second is 3 by 8. By which number in 8 we should multiply to get 120? By 15. So if you multiply 15 by 8, we have 120. Upper side we have 45, down 120. So equivalent fraction for 3 by 8 is 45 by 120. So instead of 16 by 15, we can write 128 by 120, and 3 by 8 we can write it 45 by 120. Now as per rule, we can directly add numerator since these are like fractions. So what do we have here? 8 and 5, 13, carry is 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 7, then 1, 173 by 120. So 173 by 120. 173 by 120 is improper fraction. So we should write in mixed fraction. One time. So this is quotient, remainder, divisor. So what we can write it? Quotient, remainder by divisor means 1 whole 53 by 120. 1 whole 53 by 120 is the answer for this question number 10. Hope you understand. This was little bit complicated, but if you are in practice, you are continuously practicing such type of questions, these questions are damn simple for you. Hope you enjoyed this session. I tried to clear all your doubts, all your queries, whatever you have regarding this assignment. Some students, they message me personally. So I hope that you are practicing at your home, right? So many times I told you that from any of the sources you can get questions. You can get questions from internet also. You can get questions from your elders also. Please you keep solving these questions. If any doubt, any problem you have, you message me. You also call me. In this video also, if you have any problem anywhere, you please call me directly. I will clear all your doubts, all your queries. Thank you so much.